To teach you about distance between 2 points, right? So how to find distance between 2 points? Suppose we have 2 points like point A having the coordinates x1, y1 and another point B which is x2, y2. Okay? So A is having the coordinates x1, y1 and B is having the coordinates x2, y2. How to find the distance between these 2 points? Suppose if it is denoted by AB bar, that bar represents what? Distance between 2 points, correct? So there is a formula to find the distance between them. I can write difference between x coordinates and square it plus difference between y coordinates and square it. And of course apply the square root for the entire thing. This gives you the distance between 2 points. For example, if a point is alpha, beta and another point is 0, 0, origin. You know, origin has the coordinates 0, 0 and any point P, I have taken a general point P as alpha, beta. Then,
the writing speed is very slow.
How to find OP? Which is root over, I am using this formula now, right? I can write 0 minus alpha whole square plus 0 minus beta whole square. Once I am talking along with writing. Can you check the lag, okay? You check the lag.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, understood.
Okay. And now it is equal to, after simplification, square root symbol. And then 0 minus alpha is minus alpha, but we are squaring. Therefore, you will get alpha square plus beta square. You can remember this as a special case. To find the distance of any point from origin, straight away square the coordinates, add them and apply the square root. For example, one more pair of points I will give. Suppose P is a point having minus 1 comma 2 the coordinates and Q is having 3 comma 4 as coordinates. Now I have to calculate PQ, for example, distance between PQ. Again I will apply the formula. So what is that? x2 minus x1 whole square. That is what? 3 minus of minus 1, which will be plus 1 whole square, and then 4 minus 2 whole square, correct? Which is root over, look at that, 3 plus 1, 4 square. Okay, plus 4 minus 2, 2 square. Okay, that is equal to square root of 4 square is 16 plus 2 square is 4. So how much I got? Root 20. Can anybody tell me how to write root 20 in the simplest form? I can write it as 2 root 5 because 20 is 4 into 5. Root 4 is 2. Yeah. How it comes from Sina? Audio is better, right? Audio is fine? Hello?
Audio is good.
Okay. What about writing part and all? Any lag?
What we can do is you can rub off one line and we can write one full line. Because we are splitting the screen. Let us see.
Achha. I'll go for the new screen now.
Yeah. Or else in the same screen also it's fine.
Yeah. I got a new screen. So what do you want? I have to write the entire screen, right? From left to right. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So in 2D coordinate system, you have 2 basic lines. What are they? X-axis and Y-axis. Right? So what is x-axis? All of you know. It is a basic horizontal line. And what is y-axis? Basic vertical line. That is the original or the first. And their meeting point is called origin. This is the positive part of x-axis. This is the negative part of x-axis. Again, this is positive part of y-axis. And this is negative part of y-axis. And all of you know that coordinates of Origin are 0, 0.
Hello?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, 1 minute. Yes. Please read. Yeah, Venuji.
Yeah,
I think, I think we are fine now. I
Okay.
think there is a slight lag of a second. 1 second lag is there.
Acha. Okay.
So it is not much, but in a GoToMeeting it is better.
Okay. When compared, right? When all of this compared.
When compared to Zoom, you can say in Zoom maybe 1 to 1.5 seconds lag. GoToMeeting maybe half a second. So I think GoToMeeting as an application is better for us.
Okay. Okay.
As far as video quality is concerned, GoToMeeting only is better.
Right.
Okay. Better than Zoom, I would say.
Okay.
I think better than Zoom and InVC.
Right.
Audio quality is the same everywhere. We are not hearing any echo.
Yeah.
20 feet we can comfortably hear.
1 second. I'll go to the other end of the board and I'll talk then. Okay. Just listen.
Yeah. Oh.
Hello students. How are you? Is it audible?
Yes, sir. It's audible.
Fine. Of course, anyway, we don't walk too much back because we have to be at the screen. No issues.
But it will take, ఇక్కడ మీరు మాట్లాడేది అక్కడ almost 30 feet ఉంటుంది సార్. మాట్లాడే ఎంత ఉంది? మీకు స్పీకర్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా? I think
Speakers will be.
Yeah, when you change now, you can ask Jay Kumar to talk.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah. Go to the edge of the room and talk, Jay Kumar.
Yes, sir. Now can you hear me?
Yeah.
Is it
I
audible?
can hear you. No problem.
Yeah.
What is the
Okay.
camera spread we can see? Camera spread, like how much it is covering. That much. Can you zoom in?
But how can you see him virtually?
Zoom out.
This is Zoom.
Zoom in. Complete zoom.
Zoom type
Okay.
This is funny.
This is a fine. Zoom. Fine.
Go for it actually.
Make it better, sir. Make it better.
Possibly kind of focus a little bit better on the screen. Because this you see the overall quality, see the difference.
ఇంకా దగ్గర పెట్టండి అంతేనా కంప్లీట్ స్క్రీన్ ఇస్ విజిబుల్ రైట్
Visible.
ఓకే వాట్ అబౌట్ లైటింగ్ వంశీ
ఇక్కడ విండో నుంచి ఎక్కువ లైటింగ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది.
window has no shades actually no shades okay then right okay
అలాగే
ఏమైనా?
లైటింగ్ వస్తుంది. Just close this or just minimize this.
అంటే ఇదే ఇది మెయిన్ అది కూడా వస్తుంది
Just keep those now asking. Sir, you can write anything on the board now.
okay then okay yeah I'm starting right so if you consider any point on x-axis if you consider any point on x-axis always it will be in the form of alpha 0 why the second coordinate is 0 anybody because it lies on x-axis always the distance between x-axis and the point represent y-coordinate right so it is already on x-axis therefore there is no distance that's why the second coordinate or y-coordinate will be 0 suppose any point now the other case okay if it is on y-axis then which will be 0 now the first one will be 0 so x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is beta because it is on y axis. That is the reason why the origin will have 0 0 as the coordinates. Okay, because it is a point both on x axis and y axis. Right? Understood? And any point any point in first quadrant, let us say. First quadrant means what? The space. The first quadrant means the space occupied by positive x-axis and positive y-axis. This is called first quadrant, correct? And therefore, the sign scheme for first quadrant is plus plus. Similarly, for second quadrant, can you tell? Because second quadrant means this one, negative x, positive y. Negative x, positive y. Therefore, minus plus. And if any point lies in third quadrant, it will be minus and minus. And similarly, for the fourth quadrant, I think you can tell that easily because the fourth quadrant is this space, right? This is Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. In fourth quadrant, clearly x is positive, y is negative. Therefore, what should I write? Plus minus.